let's just say 20 years from now, we had like a billion Inleo users, let's just say. And don't you think that that would be the vast majority of, DEX trading volume would be on something like that? Would be people just cashing in and out through that rather than just a few traders going trading on big stacks? I would think so, at least.
Yeah, I would agree with you. I think it's going to be, you look at like a normal economy, right? And there are, people that are trading out there. Obviously, like, there's the big money and then, just people in general trading assets. But the far majority of economic activity is not trading, it's using the currency. It's buying stuff at the grocery store, or buying a car or buying a house. Like the main tool of economies is actually spending and creation of goods and services. Um, so yeah, I would think, if you looked at a platform like Inleo and compared it to, a cross-chain swapping interface, if Inleo can reach something like a billion users and, have, critical mass in terms of people cashing out, in terms of people buying premium, actually, if we just use like X as like a good little framework, like, imagine that X, I don't know if those numbers have been posted since X went private, but imagine that X has like a million paying, monthly premium subscribers. Um, if Inleo had a million paying monthly premium subscribers, that would be $10 million each month that is flowing through LeoDex, just kind of autonomously in the background. And that doesn't include the fact that like you've then got rebalancing of pools. So Inleo lives, or the Leo token lives on multiple blockchains with all different pricing mechanisms because it's based in different assets and their different pools. So every time a $10 swap happens, everything else being equal, another $10 has to come through the system to arbitrage the price back to be even
Hmm.
with the other pools. So, $10 million dollars in swap volume could actually mean $20 million or maybe even more in swap volume when you include all the arbitrage that's going to happen around that. So, yeah, I think you're right that like a lot of this economic activity will lead to massive trading volume on the back end. And then, you see the arbitrage and the traders kind of filling in the holes around that, I think is what you would see. And then, by the way, all the cash outs and everything also being, economic activity. So, every time someone cashes out $10, that's also $10 going through LeoDex. And then if they then come back later and buy something with $10, that's another $10 going back through, and then all the arbitrage that's going to happen around that.